Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani, your very first word of the day. We're going to start the week with everyday courtesy and respectful communication. So you guessed it right. Today's word is salam. Salam. Salam can mean hello, hi, regards. Let's see some phrases. To start a conversation with hello. To say hi to friends. To send regards to someone. Let's see how these phrases sound in Azerbaijani. Söhbətə SALAMla başlamaq. You see la suffix? That's for those cases where you build words, derivation, inflection. The derivation is when you create new words for those who don't remember. And inflection is you change the form of word, technically. This is the case here. Söhbət is conversation. Başlamaq, to start. Söhbətə SALAMla başlamaq. Dostları SALAMlamaq. Dost is a friend. Dostlar, friends. Dostları means to your friends. Dostları SALAMlamaq. Kiməsə SALAM göndərmək. Kiməsə, to someone. Göndərmək, to send. Let's see some sentences. Qapını açdım və ucadan salam dedim. I opened the door and said hello out loud. Technically, in Azerbaijani version of the sentence, there is no I. But how do you know it? You know it from the suffixes added to the action words. Action words here, açdım, opened, dedim, said. Suffix at the end signifies it's I am the one who is doing the action. Qapı is a door, ucadan out loud. Qapını açdım və ucadan salam dedim. Let's see one more sentence. O her səhər qonşularına salam verir. Every morning, he or she greets his or her neighbors. In Azerbaijani, o can mean either he, she, it. You will know it from the context. In this case, it doesn't really matter. It's a straightforward sentence. So I chose he, but added in the parentheses her or she for your explanation. Now, every morning is her səhər. Let's have some fun with suffixes. Watch. Qonşu, neighbor. Qonşular, neighbors. Qonşuları, his or her neighbors. Qonşularına, to his or her neighbors. O her səhər qonşularına salam verir. All right? That was today's word salam. You don't have to use it in full Azerbaijani sentence. It can be something fun like this. High five, jazz hands, and a big salam to the whole room. Awesome. That was today's word. Make sure to check masterazerbaijani.com until you come back for another word tomorrow. I'll see you there. Cheers.